Hey y'all, Edward the Lego Texan here with another speed build for you. Today we're building set 31150, Lego Creators 3-in-1's Wild Safari Animals. And today we are going to be building one of the alternate builds, the Gazelle family down here. Uses only like 450 or so of the 780 pieces. And you get to build a very nice parent and child Gazelle build. Looking forward to seeing how that looks. And so let's get to it. So welcome back to my review of the Gazelle family from the Wild Safari Animals 3-in-1. I'm going to go ahead and start with the smaller of the builds, and that is the young Gazelle. It's the first thing that's built in the instructions, and it's really cute. The legs are very spindly, like Gazelle legs are very thin anyway as it is. It's mostly just a single plate here with some other little pieces around it for the feet, which is really all it needs. It's, not meant to be very large compared to the adult, which is right here. And I'm gonna be honest, this thing is taller and more bulky and more part inclusive than I actually expected it to be. Now, I have not built the giraffe yet, so I imagine the giraffe is actually quite a bit taller than this, but this is already a tall model. It's like as big as my head in the camera view. So it's a very tall model, but good looking. It's well built. Lots of this dark orange color plate and tile all over this thing. I imagine most of these will be used for the spotting on the giraffe when I get around to building that. But as the model by itself, this thing is really, really good. I'm really happy I picked up this particular 3-in-1 because it looks really good. The horns on top, the face, the body, very muscular. The legs are really cool. This is a very nice little build, and here's the young one next to it for comparison. So pretty cool. You also get a little mini build at the end of the instruction book that builds this little bush area. Very good for display. You can set this thing up to where the at least the adult animal Gazelle is leaning over and eating because the neck is posable. The neck and the head are movable. Ball joints all over this thing, and this you can pose it to where it looks like it's eating. And with the baby right next to it, it's a very cool display feature. I like that a lot. And that brings me to the end of this review. So thank you for watching this far. If you like what you've seen, please like this video and please follow me for more Lego content. And also consider following me on my other socials, TikTok, Instagram, Blue Sky, and Clapper, all of which are linked in the description below this video. That'll do it for today, guys. Keep on building. Bye.